Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Poco F4 device, and now I will show you how to clean your USB charging port. So, firstly, you need to remember, never use metal objects to clean the connector so as not to damage the moisture protection of the charging mechanism itself. I suggest you use an old toothbrush, which you no longer use. So as you can see in my charging port, there is a dirt, this piece of paper that prevents the charging cable from going all the way into the connector, and now we are going to try to clear it. So firstly we need to take the cover off and insert the brush in our charging port. Then just gently try to pry the dirt out. And that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.